Can we ride in this moment? Can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. No, not a single brake light in our sight. In our way, I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush your feeling. Not a single taillight in our sight. All I see are green lights ahead, lighting our way. Yeah. Lighting up our way.
Hey guys, hope you all enjoyed the views of our drive today. We are driving from the Denver metro area down to the new Poncha Springs, Colorado Supercharger. It's about a 120-mile drive for us. We had to go over Kenosha Pass on Highway 285. It was like snow and kind of whiteout conditions in parts, but the road wasn't too bad, and the Tesla made it just fine. Hardly any traffic. But we are approaching Poncha Springs. The Supercharger just opened up yesterday, maybe the night before. Yeah. And we've seen a couple people have charged there. We decided to go out today so we could get some drone footage and some pictures of the new Supercharger. From what we've seen so far, it doesn't look like it's the best amenities there. It looks like there's a gas station, maybe a deli, so you can grab a bite to eat. But there's nothing right there by the Supercharger except for that gas station. But it is a good spot if you are trying to travel around Colorado. Previously, all of the Superchargers in Colorado were along Interstate 25 or Interstate 70. And now this is, I believe, the first one that is off of those major interstates. Really opens up central Colorado and even into southwestern Colorado. They are planning on adding a lot more Superchargers in Colorado later this year, and that should open it up even more, allowing you to get to Montrose, Telluride, Walsenburg, Steamboat Springs, Boulder, anywhere. But I think this one is one that really lets you cut through, and you won't have to take I-70 across the mountains. You can take 285. It's a lot more scenic, a lot less traffic. It really opens up southwestern and south central Colorado.
But this would definitely help open it up for later this summer when we do maybe an Alamosa road trip.
Oh yeah.
This would really help with that.
Back to the sand dunes again. We haven't
back
been there
to the
in a while.
sand dunes and maybe wrestle some more gators. I'm really excited for this one.
Yeah, definitely been waiting a while for this. They actually built it, looks like, started I think back in November, had almost all the construction done back in December, but then took a break for Christmas, and then took a little while to get the transformer and the meter and everything going, but it is open now, and we're not sure, but we might be like the third car to charge there.
Okay, so we just left the Supercharger, actually stopped by Sonic real quick and got a quick bite to eat.
Yeah, we were going to stop at the Hunger Shack there in Poncha Springs. It's supposed to be a really highly rated restaurant. Looks a little, like a food truck parked on the side of the road, but they built it to the side of a building. But it's supposed to have really good food. But we ended up heading east. We wanted to check out Salida, so we just stopped at Sonic really quick.
Yeah, but it was super good. Actually, the new Philly's cheesesteak was pretty awesome. But the new Supercharger is super nice. Again, amenities aren't the greatest. We'll talk about that in just a second. But it is an 8-stall Supercharger. Currently has none to pull into. They're all reverse. So that is something to keep in mind if you are towing something. But again, even if you did pull in, your trailer would then stick in the road. So maybe that's why they didn't do a pole install there.
There are these really tall evergreens just to the south of all the chargers. It looks really nice and scenic. Problem is, when it snows, snow and ice are going to be right there where the superchargers are, and that's going to be all ice here in the winter if we get a good snow. So,
yeah, it's not going to get that much sun. I didn't think of that.
Within a couple minutes of us arriving, a guy pulled up in a pickup truck with his dog. I forget the dog's name, and I forget the guy's name too. But he said that he used to own that land in the gas station that was there, and he said that he made a deal with Tesla, bring in customers to his gas station in Delhi that was there, but allow people to charge. But we were talking with him. He had all kinds of questions about Teslas. We even offered him a ride, so he had to run to the bank. So we ended up finished charging, and he said if we weren't there when he got back, he would just go ahead and try the next one that showed up. So I think we're like the third one to use that supercharger. Yeah,
he was a super nice guy. Super interesting to hear his story and what he knew about Tesla, and talk to him a little bit about it, so that's always kind of cool.
So again, there's like no hotel or anything that we saw nearby. There was maybe a little motel a couple blocks away, but within walking, most people wouldn't want to walk more than to the gas station next door. And there is a fence that prevents you from just walking right there, but you just go out a little bit, so it's not difficult.
Now we're just looking forward to our Boulder supercharger and maybe an Alamosa one and a few other spots. So hopefully those come later in 2018. And a lot of people have been asking, the Tesla referral program was extended, but in addition to free unlimited supercharging for the life you own your Tesla, also the first person to use the referral code actually receives a $500 sales and service credit with Tesla. So that's an awesome perk if there's any accessories you wanted, any merch. And if you are looking to buy a Tesla, feel free to use the code below or email us to make sure that that $500 credit is still available. We have a couple different codes we can give you should one have already been used. So just send us an email first. And that unlimited supercharging is actually how we do all of our road trips and everything. So if you do a lot of road trips or anything, it's definitely a great perk to have. And if you are looking for any kind of Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can see what Tesla currently has available. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for this video. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.